How to find old chats on Gemini. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. You made an important chat with Gemini a few days ago and all of a sudden it's no way you can find. But don't worry, you can actually see chat history on Gemini. But how to do it? So first thing first, open Gemini. If you have already installed Gemini app, then simply open it. Or else here I'll be opening through Google Chrome. So let me open Google Chrome. Now simply search for Gemini by tapping on the search box located on top of your screen. And then type Gemini and then search for it. Now tap on this first link, Google Gemini. Now once you open it, on top left hand side of your screen, right beside Gemini logo, you will find this hamburger icon, so tap on it. And there on middle of your screen, you will find all the chats that we have made on Gemini. You can even scroll down to find more. So whatever chat you want to open, simply tap on it. If you want to rename, delete or pin the conversation, then simply tap on this three dot located on right hand side of each chat. And here you will find multiple options: share conversation, pin chat, rename the chat and delete chat. So if you want to customize more, you can simply do it. This is how you can find chat history on Gemini. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.